All right, everyone. Austin here from Currie Motors Ford of Frankfort, and right behind me is one of the neatest Mario's custom creations I've seen here with Currie Customs, and it is a 700 horsepower beast of a truck. So let's take a look. So this started out as an XL regular cab 122-inch wheelbase truck, and it became this. This thing is a beast. I love the all black look on it. You have all new everything. You have the Ford Performance wheels, Ford Performance everything. You do have that 700 horsepower Ford Performance supercharged logo on the back here. I mean, this truck is awesome. So let's dive right into it. Starting up here, you have your F-150 badging. It has the Ford Performance logo on it. Driving this car, you're letting everyone know this is a performance machine. Now, as we swing around the front here, you have that blacked out Ford logo. You're going to have these really nice matching stripes across the whole vehicle. You see these in the back as well. And kind of as I just walked around, they have this nice matte finish black with the red striping on the side. Beautiful color combo across the whole entire vehicle. Now, as we go down the side here, you are going to notice these massive 22-inch wheels sitting on Nitro Tires. Now you can see the red calipers back there. Ford Performance wheel with the blacked out Ford badging there. Staying down low on the vehicle, we do have this nice Ford Performance graphic going along the side. It's continuing that same color combo you saw right there on the hood and that you'll see on the tailgate. And just looking down the vehicle, it's shiny, it looks great, and look how nice that wheel tire combo looks from a distance. Now, as we go down here, you are going to notice we have this Ford Performance 700 supercharged badging on the back. That's letting everyone know what you got under that hood. And we'll take a look at that in a second. Now, you do have really nice Borla exhaust down here. You can see, and it'll be loud. As we come around the back, you continue that really nice matte black, red striping. And we also did the letters here with the red and black all the way throughout, doing the Ford Performance package all the way around the vehicle. Now, inside of the bed, it does have usability. You are going to have a spray and bed liner here. It is a Ford spray and bed liner, showing you that Ford logo back there. Coming back down the side here, you are going to have that Ford Easy Fuel system here. Now, before we jump to the inside and take a look at some of the upgrades there, let's pop the hood and take a look underneath of it and see what we've done. So looking underneath the hood here, we do have this massive air intake, and we have Ford Performance here, obviously supercharged engine. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on under here. Look at all this. Wow. Thank goodness we have Ford certified technicians that look over all of this stuff and can take care of all this stuff, because looking at it here, this is a giant puzzle. Looking on the inside of the vehicle, there's this really nice cat skin leather. You have this nice light center wrapped around with this dark interior. This is all wrapped leather as well across to there. Now, it is a regular cab, as you've seen from the outside. So we got a couple seats here, but they are done nice. So all of the upgrades, of course, are nice to have. But what do you get with the truck? Well, it is still an F-150. So you are still going to get that free Ford Pass app that allows you to unlock, lock, auto start the car from anywhere in the world. You are going to have your lane keeping. You will have all of your typical features you're going to see on your Ford truck. You can check up that backup camera here. You are going to have a sync system that is touch right here. Boop, boop, all touching. You are going to have your different drive modes down there. So let's take a look at those drive modes. You're going to have normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud rut, tow haul, eco, and sport. Each of those are going to change your four-wheel drive settings, traction control settings, everything like that. Now, this is a 4x4. A lot of the times you see these trucks, they're done up and they're done by 4x2s. So we do have a nice 4x4 truck here. So truck things can still be done, even though it is a performance vehicle. Now you have your USBs down here, 12 volt, some storage there. You are going to have some storage underneath the center seat here. So nice storage there. I like to have this folded down. You can leave it up and have a third person if necessary. You're going to have a little storage box up here that says F-150 in the back. Now this truck is available here at Currie Motorsport of Frankfort. It is a very nice, unique, special truck. If you're looking for a performance vehicle, if you're looking to wow people year-round, like I said, 4x4, this is a year-round performance vehicle. If you're looking to turn heads, if you want something you can have parked in your garage and walk out to it every day and say, wow, I love my truck, this is it. Available here, Currie Motorsport of Frankfort. Come check it out.